ते म्हजे मित्र ताहा हाजीक आनीक जाणी आमच्या दिव्यांग क्षेत्रांत भितर खूब अशें मोठें कार्य केल्लें आसा आनीक ताहा हाजीक आनीक म्हजी मित्रता ही खूब पयलींच्यान आसा आनीक बोथ ऑफ अस आर वर्कींग in the disability sector, and I'm very happy that the most efficient person, Taha Haaziq, is going to take over the Bardez Coastal Rotary Club जिम्मेदारी. लगेच आतापर्यंत रोटेरियन इरफान जाकी आणि अत्यंत बरे तरेन कार्य केल्लें आसा. अँड Taha Haaziq is known for his he is a motivating force, he is a inspiring force, and he will take all along all the Rotarians. As it is, Rotarians are doing wonderful.
This year we are planning to create a lot of awareness for persons with disabilities, trying to empower them more and more. As you know, we are doing it from our office also, but Rotary is a platform where it connects globally, and where we have people in Goa who are very visionary. So we'll be using this platform a lot to create बहुत सारा inclusion, empowerment of persons with disabilities, a lot of training and sensitization, and trying to create जो हमारा हमेशा से सपना रहा है, to create Goa as a modern state of inclusion. So probably Rotary platform would be a very important one for doing that also.
Okay, today the installation ceremony.
Yes.
What do you want to say on this?
कुछ नहीं, the Rotary theme itself this year is very good. That says Unite for Good.
Projects which we did was basically in the sector of education, healthcare, social awareness. Social awareness in the sense like children using mobile, its effectiveness, advantages, disadvantages. For them, like we went to different schools with this proper speaker and explained them that how you have to use the mobile. That is very important nowadays, because if the disadvantages are more rather than the advantages. So like that we explained them. Then the cybercrime, those things, and scholarships we have given. Then the biggest project we did was we gave smart boards, almost 25 smart boards in 18 different schools. So like that, the project was worth around 34 lakhs. Last year, like all entire projects, what we did was worth around 50 lakhs, more than 50 lakhs.